Hello students. Now in our next lecture of physics about numericals in electrostatic chapter, we have another numerical which is based on 4-point charges. We have already discussed about the linear charge numerical, we have already discussed about the triangular charge numericals, and now here a new numerical about the 4 charge numericals. So here we read about the numerical. It is very important for the board point of aspect that consider 4-point charges, each of charge plus q minus q minus q. These charges may vary, whether it is plus q minus q or plus q or minus q. Any of the charge nature can be given. Are placed at the vertices of a square of each side small a meter. Calculate the net electric force on the charge capital plus Q placed at the center of the square. So here we will draw first of all a square, and in this square the question says that ABCD is a square and the charges plus Q, minus Q and minus Q are placed at the vertices of the square. The side of a square is a meter. So inside the square we have the diagonals, and the meeting point of the diagonals is the center of the square. We have considered this point as a O, and here capital plus Q charge is placed, and we have to find out the net electric force on this charge plus Q. This is capital plus Q charge and these are small. So now we have to find out as the force on this charge at a point O plus Q. So this is considered as a test charge and these all are source charges. So by using the superposition principle, we will use the concept. First of all, we will calculate the different forces on this charge plus Q due to all other charges. Here the charge A is plus, charge Q is plus, so it will apply the repulsive force. This is FA. Now this charge also apply a repulsive force FB because it is applied by B. But the charge C is negative, so it will attract this charge at O. So here it comes FC, and also minus charge on D. Here FD, attractive nature on the charge O. So this force distribution I will write at here that FB and FD are on same direction. This is FD, this is FB on the same direction, and also FC and FA are on same direction. FA and FC are on same direction, and at here the angle is 90 degree, so we use 90 degree. Now afterwards we will solve these 4 forces by using the parallelogram law, because it is seen at here that these 2 forces are in the same direction, so we will add up. These 2 forces are in the same direction, so we will add up and we will calculate the net force by using the parallelogram law, because parallelogram law says that whenever 2 forces are at any point object in 2 different directions having certain angle between them, then by parallelogram law F resultant is equal to F1 square plus F2 square plus 2 F1 F2 cos theta. This is plus. This is the whole formula. So first of all we will calculate that what is FA. So the formula is K Q1 Q2 upon R square, and K is same, electrostatic force constant 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So now at here For FA, this is FA applied by A on the charge O, on the charge plus Q. So here the distance is OA. So K, that is charge at a small q, charge at O capital Q, and that is AO square. That is AO square. The same for the charge FB is equal to K. The FB is at here applied by B on the charge Q. So K small q capital Q upon BO square. Same charge by FC. FC is the attractive force. O2 applied by C on O. So K Q by CO square. Here the charge C is negative, but we do not use the nature of the charge on this formula because the force and electric field are the vector quantities. We cannot use the nature of the charge. मतलब हम कभी भी चार्जेस में जो प्लस माइनस होता है उसके फॉर्मूले में नेचर की जगह पुट नहीं करेंगे. इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स और इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में वेक्टर फॉर्म में ही नेगेटिव नेचर आता है, वो भी अपोजिट डायरेक्शन के लिए. नाउ सेम एफ डी इज इक्वल टू के क्यू अपॉन डी ओ स्क्वायर. हियर वी सी दैट this is the side A, D, C, and this is O. This is a meter, this is a meter. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have this side AC under root A square plus A square. So it is under root 2A. The side AO, OC, BO, OD all are equal. So here we get AO is equal to BO is equal to CO is equal to DO. We use this whole side half, AC half, and AC half, and AC is root 2A by 2, and AC is root 2A, so we use root 2A by 2. So here side comes A by root 2. So it is AO, whether BO, whether CO, and whether DO. So we see that FA, AO, BO, CO, DO all are equal. So we use it as F. Now from that diagram, F at O. Here FB is equal to F, FD is equal to F, FA is equal to F, FC is equal to F. So all are equal. So we use FD, FB, FA, FC is equal to F is equal to F is equal to F is equal to F. So by using superposition principle, we can write down 2F. Here it is 90 degree. So by this we can solve the resultant of force. So these both FB and FD are equal, FF, so we use 2F. FA and FC are equal, so we use 2F. So now by parallelogram law we have F resultant is equal to under root. This one force is 2F and this second force is 2F. So 2F square plus 2F square plus 2 into 2F into 2F cos 90, because at here the angle is 90. So now we use 2F square plus 2F square plus cos 90 is 0. So we use 0. So here comes 4F square plus 4F square and under root 8F square. So we have 2 root 2F. This is the resultant force. So for the formula F, we use this formula, any of the formula, because all F are equal. All FA, FB, FC, FD are equal. So we can write down this formula. Thank you to all.